More than 10 escort vessels conducted actual combat exercises in waters around Taiwan Island last Friday. This picture shows a PLA Navy sailor on a warship surveying the waters around Taiwan. The coastline and the mountains of the island can be clearly seen. This reflects a breakthrough for the PLA, the unprecedented proximity to the island. With warplanes coming so close to the island, pilots can visually confirm its coastline and the central mountain range.
When performing the task of point-blank deterrence, I could see Taiwan's coastline and central mountain ridge. I felt a strong sense of duty and honor as a soldier, and it bolstered my determination to safeguard the nation's territorial integrity. We will continue to strengthen military training and preparedness to ensure that we can respond to any situation.
The drills were also unprecedented in skill. They were set in 6 areas in the northern, southwestern and southeastern waters and airspace of Taiwan. The 6 areas ring the island. The PLA called the setting a joint blockade and control. 5 of the 6 areas are set east of the so-called Davis Line, an arbitrary boundary drawn by the US in the 1950s for military purposes. But China has never acknowledged it. Analysts see last week's drills as a strong nullification of that line. Authorities said the drills also tested the PLA's capability to stop and resist external military interference around Taiwan. According to satellite images, the USS Ronald Reagan aircraft carrier retreated several hundred kilometers overnight after the military operation began. Another breakthrough was made by the missile force. On Thursday, the PLA's conventional missiles flew over Taiwan and hit targets in the island's eastern waters. This marked the first time that the PLA has set up a firing range in the east of Taiwan. The firing range faces 2 military bases on the island, namely Hualien and Taiton. The participation of multiple PLA forces was another feature. J-20 fighter jets conducted their first live-fire combat exercises. The PLA also deployed an aircraft carrier group. The logistic support force was in place, supplying materials and other resources to the military exercises.